Hi, everybody. I'm Hector Garcia. I'm beyond excited to share with you this recap video that our AV team put together in last year's event, Reframe 2025 Pricing with Confidence. This is our third year running Reframe events, and every year gets bigger and better. And I'm so proud and excited to share this with you guys. Hopefully, after watching this recap video, you will be encouraged to join me this year at Reframe 2026 Innovative Advisory.
We're in our third annual Reframe event, and we're more excited than ever. The energy is buzzing.
We're in Miami, my hometown.
This is my second Reframe. Very excited.
This is my third year, and I'm super happy to be here.
We've got people flying from all over the country and other parts of the world.
We're from South Texas.
I traveled here from North Carolina.
I am from Bloomfield Hills, Michigan.
Nosotros venimos del área de California, de Los Ángeles.
My colleague Sharwari is traveling from India for this event.
We've got incredible keynote speakers like Trisha Browers, Blair Enns, and Ron Baker, as well as an esteemed guest, Chris Doe.
I want to charge so much I never have to look at a timesheet again. I hate timesheets. It's a waste of time, right? You guys know that.
Amen. The theme this year is called Pricing with Confidence, and we brought keynote speakers that bring different points of view about how to build the self-confidence to price what you're worth.
All about confidence in our pricing, which is really important. We need to be more confident than ever before.
The entire industry is talking about how to go back from the hourly billing to a value pricing. We really want to reframe our company, be able to value it a little bit better.
This year, Hector Garcia, who is a thought leader in the space of pricing, is bringing some innovative ideas on how to help accounting professionals know how to use the right frameworks when they're positioning pricing and packaging.
The idea is to give you enough things that maybe one is the one that you say, okay, this one is the one that will change my practice.
Every year, we're most excited about people coming for a second or a third year saying, thanks to what I learned last year, I was able to implement this, and because of that, I've been able to grow.
This is my second year at Reframe. Last year I came, and what I wanted to learn is have more confidence in communicating with others, speaking in front of other people, and I've tried to implement a lot of those things.
First Reframe definitely pushed me outside of my comfort zone. It pushed me to really analyze my business. The adjustments have given me more confidence to be able to price my services with a more aligned value.
I was able to increase my prices. I was able to work through a major billing problem, and then I more than quadrupled my monthly fee. All thanks to Hector and Carlos and the things that I learned at Reframe.
I now have tripled my annual revenue. I am so grateful for this community and Hector, and could never in a million years have done it on my own.
The transformation economy is essentially guiding customers from where they are to some desired future state. Customers want to be universally healthier, wealthier, wiser, and live with purpose and meaning. And professionals can help them do that. And the other thing is they can do it over and over, kind of like from womb to tomb over the course of that customer's life.
Accountants see themselves as accountants, and they really need to see themselves as business advisors who are guiding transformation in their clients' businesses. One of my clients recently sold his business, and he gave me a quote to use. He said, I can attribute $25 million in enterprise value to the training that you did for us.
What can accountants or left-brainers learn from right-brainers? And we can learn a lot from each other. There's the pragmatic part, the getting stuff done, which is very necessary for any business to thrive. But then there's this ability to think and imagine things that have yet to come. It's that neuroplasticity that creative people have so much. They're not bounded in by that box. That's why it's called out-of-the-box thinking.
There's power in owning your outcome. And the internal conversations that lead to the external results, it's having pricing, confidence to know that it's not about, am I worth it? It's just kind of doing a simple swap to say, I am worth it. Instead of saying, am I bringing value? Reframe it to say, I am bringing value.
We put deep thought into not just the keynotes, but also the exercises that turn the theory into practice.
It's very interactive. It's not like other conferences where you're just listening to people.
That's where real learning takes place. It's not just about doing something, it's about stepping back and reflecting on it.
The exercises were, in a sense, like they made you think, and that way you can implement it. It's so much easier for us to go back home and do what we needed to do in order to move in that right direction.
And not only did he implement it with our clients, but I mean, it helped him with family problems that were going on. So it doesn't just help accounting, but you can use it personally as well.
More than learning and talking about accounting, it's a lot more. So it's a completely different and an amazing experience.
It is so important to be here in person and collaborate with the other folks at the tables.
The in-person experience is like no other. Learning live with these experts, getting to interact with my peers one-on-one, and really mind-challenging exercises.
I really think that the secret sauce to Reframe is the fact that we are a very tight-knit, small community.
Because of the Garcia brothers, I feel very welcome, and I feel like I'm an adopted part of the family.
It does feel like a real family reunion. So you want to be here, all the hugs, all the encouragement, high fives. It's a wonderful experience.
I hope Reframe goes forever, because what's going to happen is as people go out and try new things, they're going to come back here, congregate together, and learn from one another. It's a fantastic community.
They bring in artistry, they bring in music, they bring in performance, they bring in a plurality of voices, and what I would consider some of the most brilliant minds in the space, and they bring it to you. All you have to do is show up and have an open mind.
If I were an accountant, if I were in the accounting profession, this is the place I would come to future-proof my business.
If you're an accounting professional, bookkeeper, CPA, tax preparer, and you're looking to transform yourself and transform the profession and transform your clients through the work that you do, come to Reframe. This is the place where change begins.
We need to take time to work on our business and not just be in our business.
You are missing the best conference ever in the accounting world.
Reframe your business. That's what you're here for. That's what you want to do. That's what we want to do. So come on over, let it be done.
I love Reframe. It's my second family.